Right, I just thought I'd show this. This is the last loco I fitted a DCC chip to. I've had it running around the layout for an hour or so, and then all of a sudden it just stopped. I'm thinking, why is it stopping and stuttering and not working right? But anyway, I've looked into the actual contacts, and I thought, no, I'm going to have to open it up. And what I discovered is the previous owner has over-oiled this. He's probably oiled it and then not ran it, or sold the loco, or something's happened, and it's completely saturated in oil. I don't know if you can see that. It's over-oiled, and what I've had to do is try and mop up some of the oil and clean up some of the wheels where it's causing a problem, where oil's getting in on the inside of the rim of the wheel, and some of the wheels are really bad, cakes up with oil, and the inside of the actual casings are saturated in oil as well. So I've had to try and clean this up a bit more. As an example, I don't know if you can see that, it's just flooded with oil. I've never seen a loco as over oiled as this one. See if I can just show how much oil. You can see all the oil. There's loads of oil on the inside rims of the wheels. Just thought I'd show that, but yeah, not to over oil. If you put too much oil on locos, it just causes problems with gearings and contacts. Anyway, I'm going to put this back together. Hopefully it'll work once I've cleaned it all up. But yeah, over oiling's not good.